Australia's wetlands are spectacular places. And our wetlands play a critical role in the functioning of the wider ecosystem. Like sponges, they absorb excess rainfall and slow water flows, reducing the impact of flooding. They store water for use in drought times, filter pollutants as water runs through them, naturally improving water quality. Protect shorelines, acting as a buffer from waves and coastal storms. Certain types of wetlands hold vast amounts of carbon. We humans use them for commercial and recreational purposes, and they hold cultural significance to our First Nations people. Importantly, they provide essential habitats for a variety of our planet's precious plants and animals. Despite their importance, Australian wetlands are under threat from reduced river flows, drought, climate change, and land use changes. As many waterbirds require wetlands to safely breed, the loss of habitat has contributed to a major decline in waterbird numbers in eastern Australia. When breeding, waterbirds need sufficient water levels to protect them from predators and provide the food required to sustain them and their chicks. Providing water for the environment when it is needed and holding it back when it is not helps protect breeding birds and their young. Real-time monitoring by the University of New South Wales Sydney Centre for Ecosystem Science is used to inform water flow management decisions made by government agencies. The team's monitoring techniques range from on-the-ground NES monitoring to satellite imagery and remote sensing to aerial drone photography and thermal imaging. From 2021 to 2023, major flooding and water for the environment saw vast numbers of waterbirds breed throughout the northern and central Murray-Darling Basin, turning many of our wetlands into spectacular nurseries. The UNSW team was called on by the Commonwealth Environmental Water Holder to undertake real-time monitoring of the breeding events to inform environmental water flow decisions. Supported by the New South Wales Department of Planning and Environment, 12 waterbird colonies were monitored. Although some nests were flooded during the extreme flooding events in late 2022, overall, it was a successful breeding event for eastern Australia's waterbirds. Across the wetlands, around 380,000 straw-necked ibis nests and 50,000 pelican nests were counted, plus thousands of other waterbird nests including glossy and Australian white ibis, egrets, herons, cormorants, and many duck species were observed. The monitoring helped inform the decision by the Commonwealth Environmental Water Holder to release water into northern New South Wales Narran lakes to help the thousands of waterbirds there breed to completion.